Crypto. Guys, there's some interesting price action going on right now with Fetch.AI, something that I think we need to talk about, so we're doing an update on this video. I haven't covered this coin in a while. Now, Fetch.AI is a very interesting crypto blockchain project. Does have a nice roadmap, and they're trying to do lots of things. The most notable thing that I see here is them working on a wallet that has some AI features to it. Now, currently on CoinMarketCap, we can see that Fetch.AI is trading at just under 25 cents, and we can look at how the price action has been performing since back in March 2019. Now, all-time high for Fetch.AI was $1.19, and that was September 2 years ago in 2021. There's no maximum supply listed here on CoinMarketCap. Total supply of Fetch.AI is 1.152 billion. Current circulating supply is 819 million. Market cap is ringing in at 204 million. And the question that loads of people are asking right now is Fetch going to go up or down? And my answer is both. And let me explain, because there may be some unique trading opportunities here, as well as some really good accumulation points to build a bag of Fetch.AI for the bull market at a much better price than what it's sitting at 25 cents. Hope that doesn't offend you, but let me show you what the charts are saying. All right, so here I am on the daily chart. I'm on the one on Binance because it has the most price history. Now, months ago, we were looking at this situation because Fetch went on a tear with the other AI coins. It got as high as about 60 cents. Very nice, right? And it was making a parabolic structure. Now, unfortunately, these parabolic structures only went up to like stage 3 area and then died. They didn't have enough strength to make it up to the higher stages of this formation. And my warning was on this coin and every coin that has this pattern, if this parabolic line is lost, expect some slow down and sideways price action for a while because the move is over. It's going to come down to a new low and start accumulating again. And that's exactly what we've seen with this and many other coins. So currently on the daily, looking at price structure, we're kind of in a unique situation. We've lost the 200 daily EMA, and that's very bearish, and we're 9 moving averages crossing bearishly over that. But we are finding support here on this parallel channel, taking this trend line, finding the most touches that we have. Most of them are on wicks on my Heikenhashi candles here, copying that, moving it down, and we do have 2 valid touches on the bottom. So we've got a valid pattern here, and we're starting to see some support. Now, the daily indicators are showing that we might get a bounce up to retest some of these higher areas. Possible. So in the short term, that's what I am looking at. And the price target for anyone getting in here, and you're looking about 30 cents for the first price target, as we have to come up and retest this area right here, starting out with these wicks here. And we have to get above this area of 33 cents to be bullish again. And that's going to be a very big rejection point. So for some of you guys that want to maybe do along, if you were to get in at some of these current prices about a quarter, you can make 25% return, maybe up to 36% return. And if you got really, really lucky coming up here to the 618 Fibonacci area, 50% return. So there is money to be had short term, possibly on a trade here, as price seems to have found a local bottom at the moment. However, our indicators on the bigger time frames are showing us that this will be short-lived. So that's my caveat to you. I do expect prices to go up over the next week or so, but then I expect them to come back down. Now, I do want to warn you about some analysts out there that are calling this a cup and handle. Be wary of those guys because they obviously did not do their homework to know that a cup and handle is actually a continuation pattern. And what I mean by that, for a true cup and handle, price will go up and then it will slowly form a rounded shape, come back up to right around the same area, and then make a little flag. That is your true cup and handle. And sure, you can see as price comes down, maybe a similar formation happen, but this is a different animal, okay? What happens here is that those streaming gurus calling these scammy cup and handles fail to realize that when price is coming down and we scallop out, chances are more likely we are making a double bottom like an even eve. So just because patterns have some similar shapes doesn't mean that they always play out. You've got to do your homework with these patterns, and I recommend Thomas Bukowski's site, thepatternSite.com, as a great source for finding the true statistics on these instead of relying on these scammy cup and handy guys. Now, I do want to draw your attention that on the weekly, we are in the red Ichimoku cloud. Now, this could be good, but it's kind of a no man's land. And this is the 200 weekly moving average coming in. Now, here's our shot. If we can find support on this 200 moving average and getting a price move up. However, we will face a lot of resistance at these short-term targets that I gave you. Overall, though, when you look at the bigger picture, we are getting set up for that double bottom scenario that I told you about. More than likely, this will happen over the next 5 or 6 months, where we will see prices come down to retest these weekly areas. Those areas could be at 10 cents. Those areas could be at 13 cents. And if you're wondering about the validity of this idea, well, let's look at the price history here, where this would have made one of those beautiful scammy cup and handies. But what did it do? It double bottomed and then it took off. And so anyone buying into this cup and handle idea, which again is not a bottom pattern, buying back here at 10 cents would have lost about 70% of that investment as it double bottoms. No bueno, we don't want that situation. So that's why I'm taking the time out of this video today to show you, yes, we can get a bounce here and things will look good until we reach about 33 cents, and that's where we're going to have a make or break moment. Now, if we flip that into support and start breaking out of this pattern, hey, that is beautiful. However, the clues that the charts are giving me that is not as likely to happen is the bearish activity on our moving averages, where this 9 is getting ready to cross bearishly, not just over the 100, but also over the 21. That means that 33 cents is going to be a hella hard area to get past. And you can definitely expect rejection there as we come back to retest this 200 moving average back about 23 cents, 24 cents where we are now, and most likely lose that to come down and retest this 50, which by all means may be lower. And we're looking at about a 17 cent price for Fetch.AI and the very strong potential to actually slowly make our way down to 13.46, maybe even as low as 10 cents as we retest these areas back here. And 10 cents is a very, very strong support area. So if we're looking for Bitcoin to kind of go down over the summer, altcoins to be kind of going down over the summer, very real scenario here. Definitely worth putting this idea on your radar if you're trying to accumulate this one, because I do have faith that this one will make it back up to some higher prices. Buying it here at 10 cents gives you a better chance of 10x in your money than buying it up here at 25 and 30 and 40 cents. So I hope this video has been helpful to you to shed some light on this. Again, there is a very good chance that we will find support at our current levels and be able to trade that and make some pretty decent profit. But I wouldn't let my hopes get too high of reaching past 32, 33 cents before coming down to these lower areas. This video has been helpful for you. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our free Telegram group. And if you're looking for an exchange, check out my links below. Look over my links in the description and you can get some discounts and some bonus money on some of these exchanges and some of the products that I use on this channel. Until next time, my name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog, reminding you, you are in crypto at the right time. As crazy as this crypto world is, you got this, baby.
Gary was a man who thought he could rule crypto, chairing at the SEC. Gary fooled us all, we thought he was a hero, teaching blockchain at MIT. Well, get back, Lord, get back and leave crypto alone. Get back, Lord, get back and